Hello guys, this is Deep here and once again welcome back to my channel Technique, where I talk about lots of tech related techniques, procedure and uses of them. And today in our tech tutorial episode, I will show you how to use two SIM with one microSD card in a hybrid SIM slot in your phone at the same time. So let's do this. So here we have Redmi Note 3 Pro. It's a bit old but okay for the demonstration. And one micro SIM, one nano SIM SD card and a nano SIM adapter. This is the main thing. We need this adapter to use the SIM cards and SD card at the same time. You can purchase it from any online store only for rupees 100 to 200. Link is also given in the description. Now first eject the SIM slot from your phone. So I will use the SIM ejector tool. So here is the SIM slot. Now here first put the nano SIM in the SIM slot of the adapter. Now place the micro SIM and the SD card in the hybrid SIM slot. Now watch carefully here. Now this gold plated strip of the adapter have to place on the SD card as a second SIM like this. Now carefully insert the SIM slot in your phone. So this is done. Now we will check that the SIM cards and the SD card is working properly or not. So let us boot the phone first. So now we will go to the settings to check SIM cards are working properly or not. Settings, SIM cards and mobile networks then. So here you can see two SIM cards, SIM 1 and SIM 2 is working properly, and also here networks are also showing. Now we have to go to the file manager to check the SD card is working or not. So here is the file manager. So now here is the storage and the SD cards. That means all the cards are working properly. So that's all. So now the one thing is this portion of the adapter will be left outside. You can simply paste it on the back or simply hide it under the back cover. And this method is applicable to any smartphone having a hybrid SIM slot. So that's all you have to do. So guys, if you like this video and the video seems to be very useful to you, then like, comment and share this video to let know others, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye.